Happy iPhone launch day. So, if you got a new iPhone, congratulations. So, the iPhone 15 series is finally out. And right here, I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max in white titanium. And I gotta say, in my first 2 hours of using this phone, after I unboxed it, which you can find up here or here, I forget which corner it's in. It is a short, it was a little quick unboxing, and I gotta say, I'm absolutely in love with the titanium edges. Now, I did choose to use the clear case, and the MagSafe wallet is actually very securely snug to this, and I am using the leather wallet, so this is what it does look like with the white titanium. I think it very well complements it, as it is the white on the black. Now, coming from an iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is a very significant camera upgrade. So I'm someone who, I use the cameras a lot, so I haven't played around with them yet, but I played a little bit with them, and I am very excited for them. As I said in my hands-on, in my unboxing, it does have USB-C. Now, I actually probably don't think I will ever be using this USB-C port, as I do use MagSafe, and this does work with all the existing MagSafe accessories. So, that means the MagSafe wallet, the MagSafe battery pack, and the MagSafe Duo. Now, the action button, I set it up to do focus mode, as my phone is almost always on silent, so in the control center, you actually now by default have the silent switch, and it removed the display mirroring or screen mirroring, whatever you call it, as not a lot of people use this, and personally I'm okay with that. I never really used it, so for me, I'm fine with it being removed. Now, we also got the Apple Watch series, the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and yes, I said almost said Apple Watch Series 9, but this is actually the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But looking at it, you actually wouldn't even be able to tell this is that series, the Ultra 2. Now, what I'm most excited for about the Ultra 2 is the new double tap feature. Now, yes, it is built into accessibility of older Apple Watches, but I actually tried it out for the past week, and it is not the greatest feature. Is it there? Yes, it works. Although it's more like you got to do 6 different gestures to interact with the watch, whereas double tap, it's just a one double tap, and it dynamically changes, so it'll pick the icon or the element that is most present. So to answer a phone call, you double tap, because that is the biggest icon on the screen. To hang up, you double tap, because that is the biggest icon on the screen. It's essentially what you would want to do if you had both hands free, and to use double tap, you do have to raise your wrist and then double tap. So I am very excited to see when this feature comes out, as it is going to be released with watchOS 10.1, which will be released next month, it seems, but we haven't gotten the betas yet, so it might be early November. And we are still waiting on my Apple Watch bands to come in from UPS, as I did not in-store pick up those because I clicked the wrong button. But it's okay, they're coming via UPS and they'll be here soon enough. So make sure you're subscribed, because I will have a full unboxing videos of those when they come. But overall, if you're on the fence about considering getting an iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, even an iPhone 15, I saw all of them in the Apple Store today, and I gotta say, their new redesign is absolutely gorgeous. I really love the curved edges, as with the clear case, it is more noticeable than the other cases, I felt like, as the other cases, it did seem to have more of a rounder feel. I did use the fine woven case a little bit. I like it, but I'm not the biggest fan of it, which is why I'm deciding to keep the clear case, as I just think the white phone looks so clean that I want to show this off, because it absolutely looks gorgeous. And with the new titanium edges, I'm not as worried as I am with the stainless steel on the previous iPhones, as my stainless steel edges on the other iPhones with the clear case does not look the greatest. But it's okay, as this phone is amazing so far. And now it is just out of the box, and we do have the always-on display, as well as the new A17 Pro chip. And I gotta say, I set my phone up brand new, and this thing has been nothing but speedy fast at having me download all my apps and everything down from iCloud. And I've also set up my Apple Watches. So again, back to the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The system and processor Series 9 chip is another big upgrade we're getting. Now, do you need the S9 chip if you're coming from an an original Ultra, a Series 8, or Series 7 even? Probably not, because the Series 6, 7, 8, and Ultra are all built on the S6 processor, which is off of the A13 Bionic chip. And the S9 and the Series 9 chip and the Ultra 2 chip, the S9 chip, is off of the A15 Bionic architecture. So we are going to see noticeable performance improvements, and just using this watch with watchOS 10, I've actually noticed it's a lot faster than I thought it would be. And I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me, because it is a new Apple Watch that was set up brand new, or maybe it's just a new Apple Watch. But stay tuned for my full reviews and hands-on, because we have so much more to talk about, and we got a lot of videos cooking in the pipeline. But I want you to remember to subscribe and hit the like button while you're down there, and if you want to leave a comment letting me know what new Apple product you picked up today, let me know. And I want you to also remember today's a good day to make a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.